Hey there, this is Torun Chandra Rai, a meta marketing advertiser. Today I would like to talk about image creative and video creative. The most important part because they grab attention. Okay, first of all, let me talk about the image creative, but how I do it. Okay, so let me go my first ad set. This is my ad set. So let me show you my first variation. If I want to make this is my ad copy. If I want to make a photo for this ad variation, so I personally use Canva to design image. Okay, design image. Let me show you that this is the simple way I made this image before and after, and I highlight the solution and offer. Okay, now next one is that I use photos found on my client's website and social media. Then I use ChatGPT to create variation. Okay, how I did it. Now let me show you. Uh, I personally use ChatGPT for uh, writing prompt. Then I use the Nano Banana. Now you can see first I made this creative, and this is the text you can see. This is the text you can see. Is this your kitchen? That means this is a pain point I mentioned by asking, and there is a solution. This is a solution, and after that I propose upgrade your home's heartbeat. And the next one you can see the offer, and the last one is what should I say, call to action. Okay, this one is the second variation. And I also make for another ad set. This is gonna be a price price based offer, and this is the discount based offers. Okay, so the same thing I did it, what I did for this, but I made it simple different. There you can see two diff variation here. Okay, now let me show you the carousel ad. When I will make a carousel ad, at that time I have to do the deep research for the customer market, because you have to because you will be able to use several number of picture in the carousel ads. That's why it's more important to find out the customer pain point and solution, misconception and clarification, and features, benefits, desires and needs. When you will be able to find out after researching, then you will put every pain point, solution, misconception, clarification in the image creatives. When your customer will slide the pictures, they will be able to see their uh, pain point, solution, misconception, clarification. The way you will be able to get attention from your customers, and you will be able to get to high qualified leads. Okay, now let me show you that how I do the deep research, and step by step how I will find out the pain point and solution, misconception and clarification. Okay, let me show you. Now you can see my deep research prompt, and you can see this is the deep research prompt. So you can use this prompt for your any kind of service related businesses, especially those are the local businesses, local business owner, right? First of all, that you have to type your business type, and target location, target customer, and then the last, you can see the final output should be three tables: one for pain point and solution, one for misconception and clarification, one for feature, benefits, design needs, with clear headers and several rows of examples filled in, like that: the pain point and solution, misconception and clarification, feature, benefits, desires and needs. Okay, so let me do it. And this is, you can see my kitchen remodeling uh, services. This is a local business owner, and I will research the marketplace. Then I will show you step by step that what you have to do after researching the marketplace. Okay, copy and go to the ChatGPT. and select the deep research and put and paste the prompt here. Now you can see the magic. Now they what should I say, give me a short instruction. Just I will put here yes. Now it is starting research. Okay, after researching I will back you to again. Now I came back after 18 minutes, 6 sources and 27 searches, right? And what they said, and I will focus on clear pain point, common misconception, and a powerful breakdown of features and benefits tailored to emotional and core needs. I will let you know as soon as it's ready. Okay, let me refresh it. That's all about my research for a kitchen remodeling, solving homeowner challenge, pain point, and solution. The first table, misconception and clarification. The second table, and the last one is features, benefits, desires, and needs. All right. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will make it PDF. All right. Now you can see this is my PDF. And next time. Now you can see I uploaded the PDF. So then I write here for the flowing avatar create 10 headlines that I can put in an image for service ever ad. Right. Now you can see the ChatGPT gave me 10 headlines that you can use for your first carousel campaign. Okay, now I command this another prompt. Now create headlines focusing on solving their problem and handling objection. So as you can see, I got 10 headlines that you can use another carousel campaign. So now let me show you that how I use this. So you can see my the first picture that I can use, the worried about the hidden damage we inspect. So you must put this problem and solution because the homeowners always asking about this kind of question on their social media and think a remodel takes forever. So we plan to finish on time. So this is the simple way that you have to make your carousel it. Now you can see the more no more ghosting, weekly update, clear communication. So this is you will use, and then last and the don't trust contractors and hire license and expert. So this is I you do this the way. Okay, the last one, as you can see, I use four picture, and in every picture I put the problem and solution, problem and solution, problem and solution, right? Problem, solution, problem, solution. So this is the good approach that you must use when you will make carousel ad. So next, I will show you that how to make video creatives.